I'm going to share how to run MLflow to organize our data pipelines, machine learning model register, and deployment. So first, we need to set up the MLflow project folders and files. And after that, we activate the virtual environment. Activate. Perfect. And then we can follow the link on our local host. And we're going to see all the machine learning. So here is the MLflow user interface. So let's see to find our model California hosting here. So we have uh, three various parameters. For the first model, yeah, we got the R square 67% using given and estimator learning rate and maximum depth here. We can also looking at other model. For the model 3, we have 75%, and model 2, we have 80%. And we can also looking at the visual metrics.